At 2:28 p.m. tornadoes were spotted in Nipawin, White Fox, Melfort, North Battleford, Flin, and Saskatoon. Be aware of tornadoes, dark clouds, and hail. Lesevis mt orogipju du komt emis un avertissement de tornades soyez conscientieux que les tornades l'extérieur peuvent mettre votre vie en danger.
She's up in Collin County. Melanie, give us an update on, oh, there we are. Tell me where you're located, and we can see the storm right there.
Yeah, and you know, Pete, I got to tell you, we just drove through that storm, but look, right over here, this is in Frisco off of 121. Look at how dark it is. You can see lightning right there, and then look directly to the right of me. We're here at the Living Spaces parking lot, and you can see the sunshine. And as we were driving, Matt McNew and I, we just drove through that torrential downpours, and literally just 30 seconds later, here you are. It looks like the sun is ready to shine. But here, we just saw people running out of the Living Spaces parking lot, sunny on one side, and Matt, if you could show us right here, the clouds above the living space, you can see how dark it is. And move over to the right, it gets darker. You can see the sun kind of wants to peek out, and you see the lightning over here. So this is what it looks like right now in Frisco off of 121. So Pete, I'll send things back to you.
We're going to keep that shot up for just a second. We still are showing some rotation right now. We did have a report of almost a